Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see who liked you on Tinder using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the profile by tapping the profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap settings or scroll to find activity. This is where Tinder keeps track of your actions. Then look for the likes or swipe section. Here you will see a list of people who have swiped right on. If they haven't matched with you yet, you won't see them in the matches, but you will know you like them. Seeing the full list of who liked you in Tinder is a gold feature, but you can track who liked you for free by remembering or using the active swipes list. Finally, use this list to manage your swipes. If you want to match with someone again, you can try to find their profile and swipe right again. Staying organized helps you get more matches, and that's it. Open the profile, check your activity, and see who you swipe right on. These tips help you keep track of who you liked on Tinder easily from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.